Hi, I'm Nick Betancourt,
And I am Helena Bonet.
and we're here at the Albion Hotel on South Beach for a new twist on the Winter Music Conference.
So follow us while we give you a glimpse of the Zen side of the Winter Music Conference in Miami.
We just set up literally 3 days ago here, sound, bringing all the right people together. And then we've got a group of people doing a yoga class. So it's all about bringing this whole Zen, bohemian, kind of, deep love, emotional feeling to the party. Everything's kind of a mixture of that kind of vibe. I think it's about, kind of stepping away from the craziness of WMC and coming here to find a little bit more balance. You've got the yoga where you can come in and meditate. You've got more of the non-EDM music. It's that deeper kind of, like I said, emotional, dreamy type of music. Us, amongst some other people, are here to teach people that, there is a different side to house music.
We wanted to set an intention to open the evening of celebration and music and community with a message, with an intention, with vibrations, like a ripple effect. And just like the sounds, the rhythm, it hits us. So how do we consciously move, set a tone to spread out and be leaders by movement?
There's the amount of energy coming here at one point in time, just for the same reason, to get together, be under the same roof or the sun, and just enjoy people's vibes.
Well, thanks for joining us. We had a blast. I think I definitely need to get myself a drink. What about you?
Well, I'm definitely not going home. I think I'm going to do some yoga. Why not?
You can't do yoga in heels.
Yes, I can. Watch.